So this will be a drop test with a case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. As you can see right here, in its beautiful matte gold finish. So you can see triple camera setup in all of its glory. I don't know, man. Up until now, I don't know if I'll ever get used to this setup or just how it looks. I don't know, they should have just like did it how the Note 10 did it. It's just one on top of the other instead of this. I don't know, man, I'll be honest, looks like a shaver. I don't know, man. But anyways, so that's that. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, as you can see, in all of its glory. Not a fake device. Set this up later. As you can see, notch and all. Cool, so this is gonna be a drop test with a case. So you might be wondering, where's the case? Well, let me put the phone in my pocket, and I'm gonna be using this case by Rhinoshield. It's called the Mod NX, as you can see. Now, shout out to Rhinoshield for sending this over. Now, I'll have another video highlighting all the cases that they have that they sent me, but I just decided to grab this one for this video. And let's have a look. Rhinoshield Mod NX, tough plus customizable modular case system. Pretty nice, very nice. And then for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, now check this out. See, certified military grade, 11-foot impact protection. So I have a feeling that this case should protect the iPhone 11 Pro Max from this drop. I'm just gonna do some basic drops here on this nice flat asphalt, as you can see. So I don't know, I have a good feeling about this. I think the phone will survive, but we'll see what happens here. Now, why am I doing it with a case? Well, I think most people will have a case for their brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this is a typical scenario. You're walking around, you let that truck pass by a little bit. You're walking around, and then you have your phone in your hand, and you just happen to like mishandle it, and you drop the phone. You have a case on it, and then you're walking on asphalt. I mean, it's a typical scenario, right? So yeah, what will happen to the phone if you have at least a case on it? Let's find out. So here's the case. Drop test on the packaging, and this is the device, as you can see. So let me go ahead and, I don't have 3 arms, so let me go ahead and install the case on the phone. Give me a second. All right, so I got the case installed, and I didn't realize that case actually had 3 pieces. The bumper case, as you can see, the clear portion, and also another trim piece that goes on the inside. Now, depending on if you just wanted a bumper case without the clear backing here, you're gonna obviously use the bumper case and the little trim piece that comes with it. You put that two together, you put the phone in, and then you have a bumper case. If you want a more traditional case with a clear back, obviously it's the bumper, and then you install this clear portion. So this case is the Rhinoshield Mod NX. So I thought it was pretty cool, pretty flexible. But like I said, I'll have a separate video highlighting the Rhinoshield cases that they sent me. All right, so that's that. Anyway, so here's the case installed, here's the phone, and button check. Clicky AF on the button, and then the volume rocker. Took a screenshot by accident. That's clicky, and then access to the alert slider, so you can see nice and wide open. And then the ports, pretty good. All right, so first drop, it's just gonna be a simple drop on its backside. Just like this. You're walking around and you just drop your phone like this, and then let's see how it protects the phone. Okay, this is about, I don't know, I'm 6 feet tall, so this is my waist height, so 3 feet or somewhere around there. All right, so let's just go. I'm just gonna drop it right here. Nothing fancy, just a simple drop test. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. All right, so let's check it out. Now, it landed like this, right? So I'm gonna go in the back, and I am seeing no damage. Take a look at the camera. Nothing. Actually, wait a second, what's this? Oh, that's nothing, just some debris right there. Yeah. No damage. Cool. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and do a drop on the front side. Now let's check out the front lip of this. Pretty good amount of front lip. So pretty good lay on the table design. But what about dropping on the ground design? So let's do that right now. Face down, about 3 feet, just like this. As you can see, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. All right, so let's check this out. And I think I landed in a corner. Let me see. Yup, right there. A little bit on this corner. Let me see if I can clean that off with my finger. All right, case itself still looks pretty good. Let's see, a little bit more of a scuff here on this corner. Check out that Rhinoshield branding. Let me just wipe this off. Have a look. All right, looks like the case is doing its job. Oh, I forgot about that lanyard cutout. Cool. Case is doing its job, but let's see the front. And I am not seeing any damage to the display whatsoever. Have a look for yourself. And then turn it on. Oh yeah, still functions as it should. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do a corner drop. Let's see, which corner should I pick? I'll pick the top corner, the top left corner. Actually top, I'm just gonna drop it like this in a corner. And then we'll just see what happens. Right next to the cameras, as you can see. Just like this, about 3 feet or so. Corner drop, let's go. Woo! Right on that corner. Woo! All right, let's have a look at the corner right here. Oh, look at that. Pretty substantial damage. Let's see if I can get it off with my finger. All right, not bad. But let's look at the display. Is it cracked over here? Nope, not seeing anything. And then turn the phone on. Yeah, that part of the display still works. Very nice. Just kind of use it real quick. Yeah, no problem. My bad, I got a little bit of a cold, so excuse that. Cool. All right, so let's go ahead and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna gotta put the camera down for a little bit. I am gonna just remove the case from the device. So let me just do that right now. Kind of hard to uninstall. And they make this really good. There we go. Pick this back up so you can see. There we go. All right, so let's look at the device itself. And the screen looking pretty good. Not bad. Flip it over in the backside. I see no damage at all. Buttons look good. And then I drop down on the corner right here and let's have a look. No damage. And finally, let's go ahead and run the camera. And let's see. Because I did drop it in that corner. So you can see. And the lens, perfectly fine. Cool. So this is just a quick little drop test with case with the iPhone 11 Pro Max along with this Rhinoshield case. So moral of this story, moral of this video is at the very minimum, buy a case for your phone because you never know. You're out and about, you're walking around, right? You have your phone in your hand, something happens, it slips out of your hand and it drops. So if this phone did not have a case on it, guaranteed it'll have some scuff marks on the phone itself, maybe even a cracked display, etc. And you don't want that to happen to your brand new phone. At the very least, get a case. It'll protect your device from your simple drops. All right, so let me know what you thought about this video in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.